I'm sure you've heard the news. Taco Bell has released chicken nuggets. What? I have to try them. I've heard very mixed reviews. Some people say they're burnt. Some people say they're delicious. I feel like Taco Bell is always doing the most, always releasing the most unexpected menu items like giant Cheez-Its and some other weird things that I can't think of. So this is perfect. Also, I ate a pretty healthy lunch, so naturally I need a little treat. My friend posted that wise men learn from the mistakes of others, so go ahead and skip those Taco Bell nuggets. And not gonna lie, that intrigued me greatly.
Okay, can I just do a five-piece nugget? Can I do the jalapeno honey mustard? And then can I also get a Bell sauce? Thank you, you too.
Right off the bat, it smells really good. Like, really good. They normally come in like a box, but today I got a bag. Okay, wow. For real? I'm gonna try this jalapeno honey mustard first. So apparently these are marinated in jalapeno buttermilk and breaded in tortilla strips. Wow. That is actually really good. I was not expecting it to be that good. Hold on, I'm processing. There's definitely like a Taco Bell flavor in the breading, like chili powder, and this sauce is so good. I don't even want to try the other one. So tender. 10 out of 10. I was not expecting that. Dang it, that's good. I'm gonna try the other sauce. This is the one people like the most from what I've seen. This is called Bell sauce. What is it? There's no description. Here we go. Chipotle. I don't know what there is to not like. Maybe it's the stomach ache later. Out of these two sauces, the jalapeno honey mustard is my fave. Wow. I'm in love. I'm sad this is my last nugget. I hope they keep these for real. I see myself craving these again. I'm not a big chicken nugget person. So good. I will be back. Go try them. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.